Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch, and it's time for lunch with Mr. Munch. And today I've got a new pasty. Allcroft's beef and vegetable pasty, 59p from Sainsbury's. Never seen these before. Don't go in Sainsbury's that often, to be fair, but yeah, it says new, so it must be new. They also had Allcroft's sausage rolls, which I might try at some point, depending what this is like. Right, what does it say? British beef with potato, onion, carrot and swede wrapped in puff pastry. And you've got 17% British beef, 18% potato, 7% onion, 2.5% carrot, 2.5% swede. So as usual, when I do something like this, I've got half cold, half warm. That half has been microwaved, and as you can see, it's oozing a little bit. Oozing. That's not really oozing, is it? It's coming out. It's doing something anyway. Right, that's been out of the microwave for a couple of minutes. Still quite warm. So we'll try the cold bit first. That's what it looks like inside. Doesn't look very appetising to me. I don't know what you think. Let's just dive in and have a bite, and then I'll take it apart a bit. I'll dissect it and see what's inside. It's a cheap pasty. Vastly, incredibly underseasoned. In fact, the main thing it needs is pepper, in my opinion. I don't think salt would do enough. I don't know, it might. I'm going to put a bit of black pepper on it. Eee, nice bit of black pepper. Let's try that. That's better. It's still not great, to be fair, but that's what it looks like inside. Mush. Yeah. But while I've got that off, I'm going to put some more pepper on it. Decent amount. Right. I can't really say much about this. It's a cheap pasty. It looks like a cheap pasty. It tastes like a cheap pasty. Right. Now the warm one. Sometimes when you warm things up, it brings them to life, doesn't it? I'm talking about food. Yeah. It brings the flavour out. So let's see if this, by heating it up, has brought the flavour out. Oh, it has actually. Yeah, that's much better warmed up. It really is. It's still not great, to be fair. And I'll have to put this down for a minute. I'm gonna sprinkle some pepper on it. Hey, quite a lot of pepper. Hey. Right, that's got quite a lot of pepper on it now. Right, yeah, Allcroft's beef and vegetable pasty. It's a lot of pasty for your money. It's 200 grams of food for 59p. It'll be quite filling, but to be honest, it ain't great. It's a lot better warmed up. It would probably be a lot better in the oven or in an air fryer if I had one. And God, I can really feel that black pepper now. That's nice. Yeah, a lot better warmed up, but I really can't recommend it. Let me know if you've tried it. Let me know if you're going to try it. What's your favourite pasty? Let's talk about pasties. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video at the usual time of 2 PM.